All right, we're going to update. We've got a quick plan. We're going to go to quick plan. So you see that there's subtitles on the screen right now. And I only have 30 minutes. Well, actually 26 minutes or so. I have to update these, and I want to make them just a little bit faster. We already made them fast earlier this week. So as you can see, it's pretty fast on the screen. I want to go one step further and eliminate additional latency. So let's take a peek here. I don't know if you can see on the screen. We're seeing right around 100 or so milliseconds on latency for the updates. You can see that data coming in. I want to make it even faster. It's going to go even faster. I'm actually really excited about this. And all we have to do is just update a little bit of the code and point it towards a closer origin. And that is what we're going to do right now. That's the plan. What I don't know for sure is whether I have to add that logic in or if it already exists. So let's actually do that. Grep grep-r origin ri for in case insensitive origin start. Let's see if it's in here. Oh, it looks like it is, but in request.js, okay. But it's not configurable. So what I want to do is make it configurable. We can do that. We can totally do that. So I think I can capture that. All we have to do is get the origin, and then I can point it towards a different one. And then this should go from right around about 100 milliseconds or so into something that's a little bit faster. Just a little bit faster. Here we go. So let's add that logic, and then we'll update it, and then we'll see if that works. I'm pretty sure it will. I'm actually kind of excited. All right, so we need to go into JS PubNub, and I think also, let's see here. What was it? I think requester, EJS requester, and I think there was parameters. Yeah, here we go. Maybe we have parameter. Oh. Let's see here. It should be in here somewhere. Is this? Okay, so this is the original. Okay, this is the original. So all we have to do is find where we want to update the. So here's subscribe, setup. Okay, subscribe. I think. Okay, perfect. So that we should also be able to see that in subtitles. EJS subtitles. Here we go. Okay, so we can capture it here. I think URI part. Perfect. Okay, we've got it. All we have to do is add a new one called origin. So let's do that really quick. We'll add a new one called origin. And then here we go. So we got, language. I forgot we had language. Interesting. And style. Okay, so we want to const origin. And then we'll do the same over here. There we go. URI part. Or I don't think we need a different one. I think we just go like that. It's always be origin. Perfect. Okay, so now what we can do is add that in here. Origin. We don't need it. There we go. And so now that pops into there. That should give us the ability to automatically. I believe it's origin in this. It is perfect. Okay, so there it is on the screen. All we have to do, I believe, is save this, and now we can just pipe in a different origin, and we should be good to go. I think that's it. I think that's all we have to do. Just pipe in a different origin. So now that we did that, let's validate that it works really quick. Oops! Oh, darn it! That's always like a landmine keystroke that I do. Okay, we can fix this. Here we go. 1 second. We'll bring that back here. Clicking buttons. Going over here, bringing back. All right. Okay, screen. Perfect. Now let's zoom in so we can see it. All right. Then I will resume. This is why I like screen. This is one of the good reasons. So you can say screen-ls. You can see which ones are there, and you just say screen-r, and then you type 2, and then it gets us back to where we were before. So we didn't lose anything. It's really great. Here we go. Let's bring that up there. And now let's, I think, like that. Okay. Can we go here? Yeah, we can. Okay. Now this sort of bring that down so you can see it on the screen a little bit better. Actually, I probably have to maybe zoom out one. Oh, God, I think pixel perfect. Okay, so that looks good. That looks good. Let me just zoom up here. There we go. Darn, good enough. Good enough. Okay. So, hey, Harshish. Hi, how's it going? Hi. Prashant, how's it going? What happened to your multi-agent development program? Oh, yesterday? It worked. It worked. Oh, I think it was even running on localhost. So it did something I didn't even expect it was going to do. It wrote a web app and an Android app and an iOS app. And it just kept running and just kept improving it over and over because it had a product manager and a customer for feedback. It was amazing. I think it's still running. Let me see. Localhost 3000. Is it running? Here it is. Check it out. I had to do something different because after the thing. I hope you read my comment. Which one? Which comment? Can you show us? Yeah, here it is. Check it out. So let's see. Let's try it out. 4 pins. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So a really secure password. I haven't tested it yet. I haven't tried it. So here, let's set up security. Okay. And that's as far as it gets. Okay. Well, I'll have to go in. Let's see if there's any errors. I don't see any errors. What's it say? Eyes off. Okay. Authentication setup. Redacted. Okay. User ID redacted. Authentication setup. Oh, allow is. I'm just trying to see. So if I think it over. Let's just try to reload it really quick. Your data. Oh, sweet. Okay. 1111. Here we go. Your data is encrypted and secured. Unlock tasks. And we get a blank screen. There you go. Prashant, there you go. There's the answer. I'm pretty sure there's just a few like tweaks here and there that's necessary to get it to go and to get it to work because it wrote the apps completely. But let's see. Okay, let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Unlock. Okay. Now that's as far as it got. That's as far as it got. But to be fair, Prashant, I stopped it after 3 iterations. So if it kept going, I'm pretty sure it would have been more interesting. Bravo. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I think if because I only let it run for basically an hour. And if it ran for maybe 7 hours, who knows? Who knows where it could have gotten? We can always try to spin it back up and get it going again. But for now, hey, Usman. Hey, how's it going? We're just checking out from yesterday's stream what happened with the app, and it made an Android app and an iOS app and a web app, and this is as far as it got. I entered the pin, I unlocked tasks, and there's no tasks. There's nothing here. So we'll have to see. We'll have to play around with it later. But this was going to be a short stream because what I wanted to do was update the subtitles because over the night, I woke up in the middle of the night and I was like, oh no, I thought of a really cool thing. What are you doing now? This is it. So I woke up last night around like 2 a.m. And I was thinking, you know what? I can make the subtitles even faster. So here, I don't know if you can see this in the corner over here. You can see the general latency here. I'll just kind of zoom in on it so you can see a little bit better. But here's the latency. It's right around 100 milliseconds on average, right around 100 milliseconds. And I want to improve that. I think we can make it 2 times faster. I think we can make it 2 times faster. So that's the current plan. And what I did was I updated some of the code to allow to specify a new origin that's closer. And I saved the code. And so what I want to do is test it really quick. So I can say, I think just start. Because I've got a Docker container here. Oh, and then I might have to do a couple other things. So this is running, what port is this? 4443. Okay, here we go. So I can do this. I can copy this. And I can go over here. And I believe I can simply just paste it in here. And go. There it goes. Okay. Excellent. Now is it still? Oh, it's still showing up. Okay, cool. So it's over there. Now, all I have to do is specify an origin on this side, and it should be really fast. So right now, the latency that you see here in the bottom of this on my screen in the video area, we're seeing about 100 milliseconds of latency there. And so what I want to do is make that faster. And that's what we're going to do. So I should be able to do that. But I need to find an origin really quick that I think will work. This is like what I woke up in the middle of the night and I was like, oh, I figured it out. And then I like quickly typed it into my phone so I don't forget. And then it's like I was too excited. I wanted to fix it right away. But let's see, regions. I'm typing in another screen that you can't see on my in my computer. So I'm opening up some stuff. What we're going to do is find a region that I think will give us a little bit better performance. I think that's the idea. Oh, Juvad. Hey, dude, this is awesome. I've been trying to make something like that for ages. Isn't this cool? Yeah, it's live subtitles. It works really darn good. But then I woke up last night and I was like, I can make it even faster. I know how to make it faster. And so I wanted to do that because I've got 15 minutes here before my next meeting comes up. And I wanted to do this live on. I was like, why not do this live on stream? Just to do this real quick. Then I'll be back later today. We can do some other fun stuff. But for now, I wanted to get this going. So here, let's see here. It's like, what is it called? PDX. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. That is exactly what I'm looking for. Here we go. I'm searching for some things here on my screen that you can't see on a different window. And then I'll pull that in and we'll put it over here up there so that we'll be even faster. That's the plan. That's what we're doing. So here we go. I think this will go. Okay, here we go. Just searching for, here we go. I found it. Now, can I do okay, here we go. This is what I want. The only thing is I'm just wondering, I'm curious about, let's see here. Yeah, I tried other options. There were either slow as hell or inaccurate most of the time. Yeah. So here, check it out. This is actually, you know what? I wrote this 7 years ago and it was pretty good back then. And we made it even better earlier in the stream. So here, check this out. It's called, just do Twitch OBS subtitles on GitHub. And there's the repository here. And so this is it. This is what we're making changes to right now, this repository. And it lets you, add subtitles to Twitch and YouTube. And what we did was, you just follow these instructions and it's really easy. And it supports basically every language. It supports every language. And you can do it in any style. So I put it into like really bold single word style. So you can change the max letters. And you can also change when the text clears on the screen. So if you want it to disappear really quick or you want it to stay there forever, it's really cool. Yeah. And then you can make it look however you want. So you can even have Nan cats if you wanted, you have the Nan cat in there. But yeah, there's some cool stuff here. So that's the idea. Max word count. This is what we did. So you can see there's only one word showing up here at a time. You can set max word count. We just set it to 1. So it goes, you'll look into it. Cool. Yeah, it does the trick. It does the job. So now that I have this here, all I have to do, I'm adding another parameter called origin, clear time. So it'd be origin equals, and we do ampersand, and I'll paste in the origin. But before we do that, I wanted to test it really quick. Hold on a second. I need to test this. I need to make sure that it actually works. That's one of the things. That's one of the tricks. Okay. Let's go. Just doing a quick little test here off the screen so you can't see it. You can't see it. Oh, well, it's giving me a warning, so I don't know if that's going to work though. Okay. How do we do this? So there is a trick to it. I was thinking this overnight. It's a mixed protocol problem. So HTTP versus HTTPS, right? So I want to be able to use HTTPS, although it's not required because it's running locally. Here we go. Let me try a different one. Maybe we'll be able to get it. We'll be able to get it to work here. Let's see here. Let's try this one. Let's see if that works. 1 second. There we go. Clicking buttons. There we go. Oh, is this working? Is this it? Oh, this is it. Oh, you guys. Okay, I think this is it. I think this is it. Now we can go even further. So we can make the latency 0, but then it's not accessible to everyone. And I want this to be like, more universally accessible. Oh, here we go. This is so cool. All right. Evil Wes would be nice to see use something like this for Teams. Yeah, in Microsoft Teams, they're slow. Yeah, even on Zoom, they're slow. Like it's slow. And you can see it. They did make it a little bit better on Zoom just recently. Yeah, and it's pretty bad, but this is pretty good. And you can see here on the screen, you can see the latency that's occurring. It's about 100 milliseconds per word. We're reducing that right now. We're going to make that even faster. Let me double check. Let me double check to see what the latency is. I'm going to get a sneak peek before you guys do. Let's check this out. And then I have 10 minutes left. Here we go. What is it? What do we see here? What does it look like? I'm going to zoom out so I can actually see it. It is going to be, wait, really? Will it be about the same? Is it really going to be about the same? It can't be about the same. All right. Well, let's try it anyway. Let's see. Let's see if it works anyway. Okay. So I'm going to update it here. I'm making some changes, and then it should be. Let's see. All right. So you see here on the screen, it is right around between 120, 130 to 70 milliseconds. Okay. Jambuster. Hey, another project. What is the project called? This one's called. Let's see here. It's called. Did it break? Is it going? No, it's working. It's working. Oh, is it? No, no, it says pending. Why does it say pending? It's failing. Oh, I know why. Okay, hold on. I know what the deal is. Okay, so the project is called Twitch OBS Subtitles, but obviously you can use it on YouTube, right? And they disappeared because I clicked the wrong button. Here, 1 second. I can fix it. It's going to take me a few seconds. Hold on. Just a few seconds, but we'll find out if it actually works here. All right. I just got to type a few things. We're making some updates here. Here we go. Okay. Yep. Okay. And make a few changes over here. And then there we go. Is it going to work now? Is it working? It is. You guys, look. It is faster. It doubled the speed. It did exactly what I wanted it to do. Oh, it's so cool. Okay, so now I just need to update OBS side over here. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, we're just going to update OBS subtitles of subtitles. Here we go. Paste and boom. Did it go? Yeah, there it goes. Look, it's faster. I made it twice as fast. Actually, it's 3 times faster. Look at that. I did it. Oh, this is so satisfying. Oh, that's really good. Look, it's just the latency is just that much better. Oh, that is so fantastic. Okay. You guys, we did it. And we did it in the time window too. Like I've got 8 minutes before my meeting starts. Perfect. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll commit this code because it obviously is working, right? It's obviously working now and it's working 3 times faster. Nice one, bud. Yeah, thanks. I'm so excited. That's just very satisfying. It's satisfying when you get a victory like that. Jambuster, it's been cool. Yeah, this is great. I love it. Okay, get status. We modified the subtitles. That's all we did. All we did was do one thing here. Look on the screen. This is what we just took advantage of this section here on the screen. So you can see, I'm just showing you in a highlight. And that allows us to get just a little bit faster. Look, I want to look at it again. Oh, that's so satisfying. Oh, look at that. It's just so much faster. Oh, I love it. Oh, that's so good. Yeah, and we could make it 0. If I really wanted to, we could make it 0 because I could run the software locally on my laptop, but I don't want to do that. We're a cloud infrastructure company. Delta, hey, how's it going? Or Lambda. I always call you Delta because you look like a triangle, but it's really Lambda. You're the Lambda symbol. One of the cool, excellent things that you can do on YouTube is, you can use any symbol you want for your name. And I love it. It's great. Okay, so this is great. Oh, just so satisfying. All right, let's commit this and push this into, so git status. All right, git commit -a. And we added origin setting override. We did it, guys. Hey, what are you doing today? Poppy, Suprita. Hey, how's it going? Supra team. How's it going? And Rutik. Hey, how's it going? What we're doing? We had 30 minutes. I started a stream. We had 30 minutes to update our subtitles to make them even faster. And we did it. Look how much faster they are. You can see up here, was it right around over in this section here? You can see the latency in milliseconds per word, all the different words. It was over 100 milliseconds, and now it's below 100, which is great. I love it. So I think we've optimized at this point sufficient amount for our subtitles. Hey, Drawing Brothers. Hey, how's it going? We did it. We succeeded. We made our subtitles even faster. So damn, that's so cool, isn't it? Oh, it's just so satisfying. Overwriting for super fast subtitles. There we go. Boom. All right. Let's do git push origin. Wait, what branch are we? Git branch. Let's double check our branch. Git push origin master. All right, there it goes. It's in production now. We did it, you guys. Let's see. Hey, founder of Adam Cal here. Adam Cal. Love your stream. Adam Cal. Let's check. Wait, just check that out real quick. What is Adam Cal? I want to see. I want to check that out. We have 5 minutes. Actually, we have 4 minutes, but I have to jump. I've got a meeting coming up. But I really wanted to get that. So Adam Cal. What is this? Oh, is it a GitHub project? Adam Cal, not a recognized word. Did I spell it right? Let me know if I spelled it right. I don't think I spelled it right. Rutique, is this just for YouTube or can it be used on? It can be used in OBS, any other software. So what it is, it's a browser source. You just plug it in and overlay it on your screen, and then you can get real-time subtitles, and they're really good. Does it have an API? Yeah, it does. So it's basically for free. So yeah, just go here on GitHub, and you can see. How, I wonder if this link still works because it's been 7 years. Here it is. Yeah, so you can see how it kind of works, and it gives you the ability to. You can customize it. You can make it look cool. You can make it any colors you want, and then you just enable your microphone, copy the URL, and then paste it into OBS, like this, into your browser source. And it works on any streaming studio that forks OBS. Any streaming studio that forks OBS. Here we go. There we go. You can only have one window open at a time. As you can see, the subtitles disappeared for a second. Evil Wiz, I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like I'm talking more of what you're saying as my brain is processing your voice and text almost instantly. Yeah, it's great. It's kind of like the thing that I really wanted this whole time. It's like one of the things that it's like, can we make it better? Yes, we can. We can make it so much better. Drawing Brothers, how old are you, and what do you do? Software engineering, computer science. I have a company called PubNub. So you just go to pubnub.com, and we are the world's largest global communications technology for real-time experiences such as chat. As you can see right now, you can see it on the screen. It's actually powered by PubNub, right? So you can get these PubNub. It's one word. But yeah, it's right here. So we've got the world record for the largest number of connected users, and we keep growing and making that bigger and bigger. We power World Cup and other major brands. For real-time experiences like chat, multiplayer gaming, order delivery, healthcare, telemedicine. Ashford, yeah, you're late. We did it. We finished it. We did it. Chris hold on. Crocian, what's a cool? Well done. Thank you. Excellent. Oh, Suprita, excellent. You followed you on GitHub. Oh, cool. Awesome. Yeah, Stephen LB. Stephen LB on GitHub is me. So I wonder if I can click that. Stephen LB. Here you go. I don't know. Can you see that? You can see it on the screen. Stephen LB. Yeah, Ashford, you're late. We just updated our subtitles so they're 3 times faster. Man, look at the latency. Isn't that cool? We made it just that much faster. So I was really excited about that. Oh, I've got 1 minute left. I have to go at the top of the hour. I've got a meeting. I have to go, you guys. But I'll be back later today. We'll do maybe more AI stuff. I want to do more agentic, multi-agent things. More multi-agent software engineering. That's what I want to do. I think that'll be really exciting. But yeah, we did it. We committed our code. It's pushed live. And now all I have to do is, instead of using my dev server, I have to update the URLs to point to different, a little bit different things. That's it. That's it. We did it. But you guys, all you have to do, if you do want to do it, it's really easy. You just follow the instructions on this. You just Google for Twitch OBS subtitles, and then you'll find it. Usman, excellent. Hey, can I make Jambuster real quick? Can I make the same project like you using the AI? Yeah, absolutely. I think so, because it runs off of a couple of really simple JavaScript files, frameworks. One's called Spoken NPM, and I also wrote this. This is another one in my libraries. JavaScript speech to text and text to speech. And then it uses, and the Twitch subtitles uses that plus PubNub here. It uses the PubNub library, and it will give you the ability to stream that into OBS directly. And so that's how that works. What's my birthday? These are questions that, I clicked on the thing. Yeah, so good question. I do have one. I have a birthday. Actually, that's one of the questions that you would ask for, like an AI. You'd say, hey, AI, what is your birthday? And then the AI would say, oh, I don't have a birthday. I was never born. That sort of thing. I have one. I do. I really do. I have a birthday. But obviously, if I give you information, got to be careful, because we're on the internet. We're telling, who I am. Can we do an internship at your company? Do you have this facility in your company? We did. We used to. I do have to run because I'm late. I'm running late for my meeting now, so I have to run away. But it was great to chat with everyone. Let's see. Spoken feels cool. It should come built into the browser nowadays. Absolutely. They should make it a lot easier to use. But Spoken makes it really easy. It's a really simple library. Is this it? Yeah. Spoken. So it really is this it. You can have it say, you can have it listen. It's a really simple pattern. But I do got to get going. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. You built the entire thing it's all AI. Yeah, it's all of it. It's AI. Hey, who am I? Hey, working with PHP. What's the project? A tutorial. So this is JavaScript, and I do have to run. But we just finished it. We pushed it live, and it's there. We did it. It's running JavaScript is the answer. But yeah, EvilWiz, thanks. Have a great meeting. Yep, thanks, guys. We'll be back a little bit later today. We'll catch you then. Thank you so much for hanging out.